Traditional subway systems suffer from an inherent mechanical flaw. Adding a single new station forces the entire network and every passenger on it to pause and wait for people to get on and off. This friction is a batch processing problem. Moving groups of people or materials in large interrupted blocks creates the primary bottleneck for nearly all modern heavy infrastructure. This issue scales across industries. Traditional tunnel borers must halt the digging process entirely just to build support walls, and long-haul freight trucks often sit idle for hours simply to refuel. Rapidly scaling physical infrastructure in the 21st century requires engineering physical downtime out of the equation entirely. The next era of technological dominance relies on redesigning the physical world to eradicate the stops themselves. The Las Vegas loop solves the subway problem by allowing individual cars to bypass intermediate off-ramps. By ruling stops off the main line, the primary flow of traffic is never disturbed by any one car. Building these tunnels historically required large human crews, which turned the drilling machine into a slow, cautious safety system. To speed up construction, you have to remove the human safety bottleneck from the tunnel. This is the internal layout of the Prufrock machine. Its core innovation is continuous mining, which eliminates the standard two-phase digging cycle. The machine is engineered to simultaneously chew through rock while instantly interlocking the concrete support walls directly behind the cutting head. Removing humans from the tunnel allows for continuous material feeding. Automated stripped-down Tesla Model 3 buggies now ferry concrete segments directly to the machine on a non-stop loop. This automation allows the machinery to be driven from the boring company headquarters in Texas, even if the drill is operating in Dubai, halfway across the world. The Boring Company has effectively engineered a mobile, autonomous underground factory that can operate without pause. Global communication faces a similar downtime problem. High-speed satellite internet traditionally requires a stationary receiver plugged into a reliable power grid. SpaceX's Starlink Mini Dish 2 is the tool designed to sever this physical tether. Its ultra-low power consumption and built-in battery transform it into a mobile hotspot. It is optimized to maintain a data connection while in motion, even in the middle of a disaster zone. By removing the requirement to stop and plug in, Starlink ensures the flow of critical information remains uninterrupted, regardless of physical movement. On the surface, the evolution of autonomous driving was previously limited by older vehicle hardware, creating a hard stop for the technology. Tesla's FSD V14 Lite uses new AI models to override the physical limitations of older Hardware 3 vehicles, bringing modern autonomous features to older fleets. Drivers recently tested this continuous flow by completing a 4,200-mile trip from Key West, Florida to Cape Flattery, Washington. The car handled the entire cross-country route with zero manual steering, braking, or accelerating. That same logic is now being applied to commercial freight through the deployment of the first public megachargers in California. By delivering over 1 megawatt of power per stall in major freight corridors, commercial fleets can drastically reduce their charging downtime. Through AI software bypasses and mega-scale power delivery, surface transportation is being re-engineered for relentless forward momentum. Underground loops, continuous bores, mobile satellite dishes, and uninterrupted AI transit all share a singular engineering philosophy. Elon Musk's companies are systematically hunting down and dismantling the concept of physical downtime across multiple industries. In the old world, human safety protocols, manual driving, and physical tethers force systems to stop. By automating those processes, these systems transition from fragmented bursts of activity to a state of continuous flow. The future of how humanity moves, builds, and connects belongs exclusively to the systems engineered with zero downtime.